Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Here's a small example of the white DRL flasher for the new 23 Sierra AT4. I want to make a note about the white DRL. From the factory, they are a little slow to respond to the flashing. So a slower flash pattern looks better. When you go with one of our faster flash patterns, the headlight doesn't always catch every pulse. And you'll see that as you play around with the patterns. But this particular single flash alternation seems to work very well as many other ones. But as I said, some of the real faster patterns, they're too fast for the headlights. They don't catch every pulse. Only on the DRL. Every other circuit on the truck is fine. That's only for the headlights. That's why we chose this pattern. It seems to work very well as many others.